Today in this video we're going to talk about this medicine Solesi Med, which is a very famous and a commonly available medicine, and we're going to talk about the memory boosting herbs that it has and a general information about all these herbs and different ways of using it, and how these herbs when used in the right way has different health benefit that is seen, which is beautifully explained in Ayurveda. A very famous medicine, a very commented and a requested video, Solesi Med by Ayurveda India. In this video, let's talk about it, let's understand in this video. Namaste everyone, welcome to Jyovis Hospital of Ayurveda and Aesthetic Center, Mumbai. Solesi Med, a medicine by Ayurveda India. Again, tablet, 60 tablet, it is costing 180 rupees only, and we see each coated tablet contains extracts, powder extracts of several herbs with a bhavana of Brahmi Kuat. We're going to discuss about this one by one. Let's understand the use of the first ingredient, which is 100 mg, and this is Shankha Pushpi. Shankha Pushpi, if we see, it is a common medicine that is given to children. Most children appearing for an SSC exam or for some exam, we start 1 month prior or 45 days prior liquid or tablet or capsules of Shankha Pushpi since years and years. Shankha Pushpi, a very primary ingredient in this medicine, 100 mg, beautifully explained in the Charak Samhita Sutrasthan as Medhya Visheshen Cha Shankha Pushpi. So it is said as this beautiful quality Medhya. Medhya, which means memory enhancing, brain tonic, acts as a wonderful brain tonic. It is cool in potency, so Sheet Virya, and it is having very good results when it comes to memory enhancing. That's number one, which is Shankha Pushpi. Number two, coming to a very important medicine, and without this medicine, I personally feel that any memory boosting medicine is incomplete, and this is nothing but Brahmi. Brahmi itself is one of the best medicine. It is just that the right quality of Brahmi extract must be into that medicine. We see that we've done trials on this Solesi Med, we've used it on patients, and after talking to a lot of people across the globe who use Solesi Med in their practice, we see that they get good results. Most of the efforts contributed to Brahmi. Brahmi, it is beautifully having results in inducing sleep. It is used for a wide spectrum of psychiatric disorders. It is the one that reduces palpitation. It is the one that is one of the finest medicine that is cool in potency, and it works on the nerves. All the nervous disorders, Majja Vikar, like the cervical spondylosis, like the lumbar spondylosis, like the sciatica, like the carpal tunnel syndrome, like all these, the nervine disorders, the neurological disorders, one being a Sheet Dravya, works on the nerves. Apart from that, most of the ones are the very hot dravyas which work on the nerves. So Brahmi cools and calms the mind, at the same time strengthens the nerves. It is a very useful medicine in MDP, very useful medicine in OCD, a lot of cases of obsessive compulsive disorder. We give Solesi Med, we give a combination of Brahmi Siddha Grut early in the morning, give them Brahmi Vati, Brahmi Pearls of Kerala Ayurveda. So Brahmi extracts, Brahmi in good quality is very important for any psychiatric or neuropsychiatric disorder. Moving to the third one, which is Uttam Medhya Dravya, which is Guduchi. Guduchi, which is Giloy, which is Stenospora cordifolia. We have an entire video talking about Guduchi. So we'll put that video in the description box below. We'll put the link, go through that. Guduchi is mainly used for Vata Vikaras, for all the joint pain. So we take the Guduchi leaves and we make a swaras of it, or we make a decoction of it and tell the patients to consume it twice a day. And we also tell patients, in the COVID times, in the fever condition, they take the root of Guduchi. They take a root of Guduchi, just put it in water, boil it, and it is one of the most commonly used medicine across India today, especially across the rural areas when it comes to fever, when it comes to COVID. So that's about Guduchi, commonly used medicine. There's also one city which is going to be soon called as the Gulwel city, Guduchi city, because in this entire city you are going to find just this one medicine everywhere, which is Guduchi. So we also have one of our very nearest colleague who is given this position by India, and he is called as the Guduchi man, the Gulwel man. And he lives pretty close to our hospital, Jyovis hospital. He lives at Worli, and he's called as the Gulwel man, the Guruji man. Coming to the next one, it is called as Sarpagandha. Sarpagandha, which is a cooling, it cools down the mind. It is the Ushna Dravya, but it works on the blood pressure. It works on reducing the blood pressure for palpitations, for arrhythmia, for atherosclerosis, for insomnia. As soon as Solesimed or Sarpagandha Ghanvati, this classical Ayurveda medicine, years and years, Sarpagandha Ghanvati is given, we see how patients, feel that they are getting normal sleep. So Sarpagandha, beautiful medicine. Coming to the next one, it is Shatapushpa. Shatapushpa, widely used for abdominal pain, PCOD, menorrhagia, irregular menses, painful menses, menstrual cramps, premenstrual syndromes. For all these cases, we use Shatapushpa. You get these Shatapushpa seeds in the market everywhere. So we tell patients to crush those seeds and consume 1 to 2 gram orally for PCOD patients. We as an Ayurveda practitioner make the oil, we extract the oil from the seed and we give a matra basti, we give an enema, 20-30 ml, 40-50 ml, depending on the patient, we give the enema and we see it's a lekhan karya and a beautiful result for PCOD. There's been research on the internet, there's a research by Government of India where it is proven that Shatapushpa matra basti for PCOD, very, very effective medicine. Shatapushpa, you get these seeds commonly available. Coming to the next medicine, we know Amalaki, which is Avala, one of the fruit of Triphala. Avala contains vitamin C 20 times more. We know all the benefits. Amla is a Uttam Rasayan. Most of you have consumed the Brahma Rasayan or the Amlaki Rasayana during the COVID times or fever times or low immune system. Amalaki Rasayan, Amlakyadi Rasayan, Amalaki, or consuming just fresh Avala. The ones who have, prolonged bleeding, heavy bleeding, Amla is Tamban, Amla is Sheet, Amla is Vrishya, Amla is Balya. We know about it. So Amalaki, extract form, beautiful medicine. Coming to Manuka, which is the raisins, black raisins, we see Shitavirya, inducing sleep, Balya, Vrishya, elevating constipation, the acidity coming down. And we see it is Snigdha Dravya. It provides oil to the intestine that it really requires. It provides oil to the body that it really requires. So Madhur Rasatmak, Snigdha Dravya, and induces proper stools and also induces sound sleep. A great impact on the mana is the Manuka. Next one, we see use of Vacha. Vacha, which is Vikand, also called as the sweet flag. Vacha for autistic patients, for small children, generally everybody, we tell them to take the Vacha Vikanda, to take the root of it and make a paste and apply it over the forehead. We do a combination of Yashti Madhu and Vacha, or Vacha whole and soul, lep. We inform patients to take 1/4 and rub it over the tongue, rub it over the teeth, 1/4 pinch, rub it over the tongue. Vacha, excellent medicine when it comes to speech, excellent medicine when it comes to cool and calming the mind, for ADHD, autism, for those patients who are looking for intelligence, memory, sanity. All these patients, Vacha, excellent medicine. Vacha is put in the right amount, because Vacha in excess is not very good. So Vacha is put in the right amount in this particular medicine. Vacha in extract form, beautiful results for the mana. Next one, we see Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is like a common medicine that cools and calms down the mind. Again, a medicine which is Ushnavirya, which works on the nerves and all nervous disorders, all Vata Vikaras and the man. We see a lot of medicines of stress, like the Stressan of Sandu, Stress Calm, Stress On. A lot of medicine of stress, proprietary ones, most of it have Ashwagandha in combination or whole and soul as Ashwagandha. So this medicine in extract form, beautiful results. Moving to the further one, which comes to Tagar. Tagar, a very famous medicine by Himalaya. We see a lot of people across the globe use Tagar. It is again soothing the mind, calming the mind. We see anger, mood swing, how all of these symptoms comes down. And Tagar is something we see for all autoimmune condition. We always use extracts of Tagar. Tagar is something that modulates your immune system. Moving to the next important one, it is last but not the least, it is called as the Jata Mausi, Indian spikenard. We have an important video on Jata Mausi. I'll put that link in the description. It is one of the top 10 medicine, one of the closest to my heart. Commonly used Jata Mausi, Indian spikenard. We use the bharad. We tell patients to make a fant of it. 2 cups of hot water, close the gas, switch off the gas. Put 1 teaspoon of Jata Mausi churna or Jata Mausi bharad, the Indian spike, the roots, spikenard. Put it close the lid and wait for 1 hour or wait overnight, strain or wait throughout the day or 1 hour or half an hour, just half an hour, wait half an hour, strain and consume 1 cup before going to bed. It is balancing all the 3 doshas, it is Pitta Shamak, it is mainly useful for neuropsychiatric disorders. 3 months of continuous consumption of Jatamasi fat before going to bed has a tremendous amount of impact on stress, on anger, on mood swings, on mainly the palpitations, blood pressure. We see beautiful results of Jatamasi, one of the master medicine as per the top, one of the top Ayurveda physician, the late Vaidya Dadar Shastri, who was a Panchakarma Tadnya. This dravya was a very close dravya to him, and the respected Vaidya Dadar Shastri always advised the Jatamasi Siddha fund to be taken for Manovikara. So hence we see use of Solasi made, very wisely made in Solasi tablet, Jatamasi extract. So this is all about Jatamasi. All the herbs are taken in extract form and it is given a bhavana of Brahmi Kwat. What is the meaning of bhavana? All the extract taken, Brahmi juice, the leaves of the Brahmi, it is the leaves, the juice is extracted from that fresh leaf, juice is added, it is churned. Again the leaves, the juice is added, again churned. So this is done for 11 times. It is churned properly, and that's how the Solasi tablet is prepared. Use of this Solasi tablet is generally said as 1 tablet or 2 tablet twice or thrice a day, or 1 tablet or 2 tablet before going to bed. This is often to be prescribed by an authentic Ayurvedic doctor. If a general person wants to take it, they can go with 1 or 2 tablet before going to bed, but one must consult an authentic licensed Ayurvedic practitioner and move further, as it is one of the best medicine, not a general one, but one of the best result oriented medicine. A lot of comments we had on Solasi Med, advice for sleep, stress, intelligence, memory, for nerves, for pain. This is about Solasi Med, and we see the company people have also made a picture of a person with relaxing, meditating. So it takes you in that solace mode, and hence the name suggests Solasi Med. Any doubts, any questions, let us know in the comment section below. This was all for now. Until next time, from Jyovis and the team, look impressive, be progressive.